Every year, well, just about every year, I grow sweet potato slips. I did a video about a month or so ago explaining to people that you can grow slips without having to use mason jars and without having to use toothpicks and without having to go through the extra steps and extra work, I call it. So I just took these four sweet potatoes that I bought from the store and threw them in these little solo cups, which I explained takes over 100 years for them to decompose, so they're safe to use. And I just wanted to show you how many slips I got. And I'm still growing these, as you can see. But here's what I have from those four sweet potatoes. Now, these roots are supposed to be white and they're starting to turn, which means I need to get these in the ground. But boy, this is without a doubt the most slips that I have grown at one time in one season. And one of the things that motivated me was I looked out of curiosity to see what slips were going for. And I think it was something like 5 or 6, and they wanted $25. And I don't think that included shipping. So I didn't take a count, but I'm assuming that I have somewhere around 20, 25 slips here easily. So I just made this little video to give you guys some encouragement. It's still May, so you can still grow your own slips and harvest your own sweet potatoes before fall. Um, in that video that I did, I guess I should put a link to it underneath here. I said that I recently went to Walmart and their sweet potatoes had jumped from 99 cents a pound to 118. That's $1.18 a pound. And that's not including all the spendings with the tariff. So I expect them to go up even higher. Yes, we grow sweet potatoes here down south. I think it was North Carolina. I'm not sure. But we do import quite a bit. So this is, again, hopefully motivation for you guys to grow your own slips and grow your own sweet potatoes. This is the Frugal Gardener. And like I always tell you guys, when you grow your own food, you always know where it comes from. Catch you in a few days with another video. Have a great day.